Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda CRV key fob battery, updated. Start by prying open the fob with a flat tool, remove the old coin cell, check the plus side orientation, and insert the new CR 2032 battery firmly. Reassemble the case, test the buttons, and reprogram if necessary using your vehicle's manual or dealer guidance. Take care not to touch the battery surface with greasy hands to avoid reduced contact. I will cover tools and safety tips before you start. Use a small flathead or plastic pry tool to avoid scratching, and have a clean cloth ready. Wear gloves if you prefer to keep oils off the new battery. Keep the old battery away from children and pets, and recycle it responsibly at a battery drop-off. Work on a soft surface to prevent losing tiny screws or clips. Stay relaxed. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helps, please subscribe and like the video to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use for parts and small batteries. They keep things organized. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Your support helps me make better videos and covers more DIY car fixes. Now let's get back to the video. After swapping the battery, confirm the fob signals by pressing lock and unlock while standing near the vehicle. If buttons respond poorly, open the fob again to verify battery seating and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. For persistent failures, try an alternate new battery or consult your dealer for reprogramming options. Remember that extreme cold can reduce signal strength temporarily, so test indoors if you suspect temperature issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.